to give someone owner on Discord group. So if you want to give someone the ownership on Discord group, then first you just need to simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go with your Discord. Make sure that you're logged into your account and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now once you're here, you need to go with a server, any server that you're comfortable with, and go with the drop down under the server and go with server setting. Under server settings, you will have members option. Go with members, and here if you want to give someone the ownership, then you just need simply select the member. So in my case, I don't have any members, but if you have members, then you just need simply go with the member and then go with the right side, which has that three dots, and it will open up another menu. And from the other menu, you'll be able to send an invite, or you will have transfer ownership. So select transfer ownership from the drop down menu, and it will transfer the ownership to the selected member. After that, you need to turn on the acknowledgement and click on transfer ownership. After that, final confirmation will appear on the screen. You have to turn on the acknowledgement and click on transfer ownership, and it will transfer your ownership. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.